Hi friends! Today is Thursday, November 27th. For today's adventure, we will be unboxing the Winter 2020 FabFitFun box. So, FabFitFun is a seasonal box that has wellness, beauty, fitness, and everything in between. If you buy a single box, it's $49.99, or you can do the annual subscription for $179.99. And the box contains 8 to 10 full-size products. If you do the seasonal box, you get to choose 3 of the products, and then FabFitFun will choose the other ones for you. If you do the annual subscription, you get to choose the first 5 products, and then they'll fill in the next 3 to 5 products for you. They guarantee a value of over $200, and I love that they always give you the prices on everything. So let's get to it. Every box always contains a magazine. Let's see. This month we have Katie Couric on the cover, and they always give you a list of all the options of the products you can get and the prices, so we'll save that for the end, and I'll also do some calculations for you. So let's start with the biggest item here. So the first product here says Lilly Pulitzer on the back. I remember these were a set of mugs. Okay, let's take a look here. I love Lilly Pulitzer products. I'm one of those people who gets online early in the morning to do their twice annual sale. Alright, I do remember picking these out. These are so cute. And the other one is the same. It's a set of 2 mugs. It's got this really pretty gold handle and a blue floral pattern. Inside it says XOXO Lily. It's really cute. It's a good size. Moving on. Right on top here, I see some scrunchies. I love that scrunchies are making a comeback. I was born in late 80s, so I was a 90s kid. And that just brings me back. So it's a set of 3 scrunchies. They feel like they're silk, so they won't snag or pull on your hair. And they're all animal prints, so that's really cute. You could even just wear it on your wrist as a bracelet, as an accessory. All right, next up is, I see Kate Spade on the package here. And I also remember picking these out. This is a set of 2 pairs of earrings. We've got some diamond looking studs and then a pearl looking stud on the bottom. The price on the back here says $68 for the set. I love Kate Spade earrings. And it comes with a cute little gift pouch if you wanted to give these away. Whoops. Next up, all right, so we have a box here. It's Dr. Brandt's Pore Dermabrasion. It's a pore perfecting exfoliator. Okay, and I wonder if this is just a scrub. Comes in a good sized bottle there. This is 2 ounces. Oh, it's sealed, can't smell anything. So it's a very fine scrub, and it just has a clean, a little bit minty scent. That feels really good, really small granules there. Okay. I love a good pore scrub to get all this dead skin off in the winter. Okay, next we have another bottle here, and this is the Flight Mode. I've never heard, I'm assuming that's the brand. Flight Mode Skincare. It's a high altitude hydration mask. Oh, I wonder if this is meant to be worn when you're on an airplane, which would be very hard to do nowadays, wearing a mask on the airplane. I guess you could do it around the mask, but let's take a look here. So it says sit back, relax, and get some beauty sleep while Australian wildberry harvest and hyaluronic acid work to hydrate and plump your skin. Oh, okay. Oh, the best part is no wash off necessary. So I guess you can put it on the plane since you don't have to wash it off. That's interesting. Sometimes when I'm flying like international flights, I'll bring a sheet face mask with me just because being on the plane is so drying to my skin. And again, this has a very light scent. Oh, geez. Just squirted all over the place. It's like a jelly consistency. It actually feels like just hyaluronic acid moisturizer. Like those clear, like Neutrogena has that water boost moisturizer. that's kind of what it feels like. So, and kind of what it smells like actually. Next up, something small here. This is the Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars Blemish Patches. So I've actually tried these before. These are pretty popular right now. You just put them on a little breakout. I like to put them on before bed, and then in the morning just take it off and my blemish is gone. These are great for nowadays when you're wearing a mask and you get some blemishes under your mask. They aren't too drying. And let's see, we get a sheet of 40. Oh, and they are little, oh, mine kind of got melted together. But anyway, 2 sheets of 20 there. These are a little bit smaller than I remember. I know some other brands have ones that are a little bit bigger, like the size of a coin. These are pretty small. Next up, have a little guy here wrapped in bubble wrap. All right, this is Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. And I got mine in the shade, well, it doesn't say. Okay, I like this black matte case there. It's small size, but actually the pan is a pretty good size, and there's a little mirror there. That's a nice kind of, looks like a bronzer blusher mix. And there is some shimmer there. Let's see if we can swatch this. Ooh, that's a little brighter than I expected. It's a little more orange pink neon kind of color, but I think if you put it on lightly, it'll be okay. And I've never heard of that brand, Phase Zero. I think my last item here, and this is another one that I picked out, is a set of 4 of these plastic flexible cutting boards. And I love these because, and this is from the brand Ipare, I hope I'm saying that right. They're 14 inches by 10.8 inches and has this nice loop here so you can hold it, and after you chop your items, then you can pick it up and put it in the pot. And I like these better than a wooden cutting board, because you can put meat on them and it doesn't soak up any E. coli or anything, because they're easy to wash off, unlike the wood cutting board. So yeah, and these are BPA free, dishwasher safe. So there's a set of 4 colors here. So those are really cute. I like that. All right, so that's it. And then in the bottom here, they do give you, let's just make sure, didn't miss anything. They always give, I think in every FabFitFun box I've ever received, a Bright Sellers coupon for a wine subscription, a FabFitFun sticker. It's the same theme as the winter box. And then they give you coupons for other things. So here's a $15 off a FabFitFun box. And also right now online, I don't know if it's a Black Friday special or just a random special, but you can get up to 20% off. They'll have you spin a wheel online. You can get 5, 10, 15, or 20% off one of the just single boxes. So some other coupons here. So that's it for the box. So let me bring out the magazine here and I'll do some math for you. That was a very Asian thing for me to say. I'll do some math for you. Like I said, the box always guarantees that the value is at least $200. So I did some math here, and if you were to choose all the cheapest items, and if FabFitFun gave you all the cheapest items, the value would be $210.99. Now, if you chose all the most expensive items, and then the 3 items that they chose for you were the most expensive items, the value would be $377.49. And I feel like this range, even though it's kind of big, that's typical for FabFitFun boxes because there are so many options you can choose. So the halfway point between that, the median value, is $294.22. So when I'm choosing my items for the box, I always choose things that I would use. Some people will try to go for the most expensive, but I want to pick things that I really like. So the value of my items that I have here are $297.44. So it's actually just above that halfway mark. So I am in the upper half of the value, so I feel good about that. And I think it's a good deal considering with the annual subscription, I pay $45 per box. So pretty good. Let me just go through the prices of the individual items. So the Kate Spade earrings were $68, like I said on the back of the package there. The Lily Pulitzer set of 2 mugs were $42. The Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion was $58. I'm not sure I would buy that on my own, but that's the beauty of the FabFitFun box. It's nice things that you can use, but that you wouldn't typically buy for yourself. So it's a little treat for yourself. Next up is the Flight Mode hydrating mask. That's $39, and it's still leaking all over the place. The set of 4 cutting boards is $19.95. The Paradox stars are $18. The scrunchies, set of 3 scrunchies, $25. I definitely would not pay $25 for 3 scrunchies. And the very bright colored blusher, $27.50. Again, I think that's a little bit high for a 1-pan blusher. But overall, I think like the earrings I'll definitely wear, so that alone is more than the price of the box. So I think it's a good value. I enjoy FabFitFun. It's just a little treat to myself. But let me know what you guys think, if you've got this box and what other products you chose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And let me know if there are any other boxes you want me to review or videos that I should make. Thanks for watching. Bye.